Today we are featuring this amazing shipping container residence in Delridge, Seattle. This beautiful house was built exclusively using 6 20-foot shipping containers, where we have 4 20-footers arranged side by side on the ground floor level, with 2 additional 20-foot containers stacked on top. The entire house sits on a concrete pier foundation, and the containers' integrity was retained as much as possible, save for the fenestrations for windows and doors. This is a view of the lounge area in the living space. It is sparingly furnished. I love this leather couch, the big glass window, this floor mat, and the white painted interiors. This is a view of the entrance lobby showing the lounge area. And this is a closer view of the lounge space with exposed corrugated ceilings, as you can see. This is a closer look at the kitchen. It is fully furnished with the essential kitchen appliances, and I like the big glass window that drenches the kitchen space with maximum daylighting. This is another iteration of the lounge area with this beautiful couch. I like this tree stump used as a coffee table, and of course the big glass windows that drenches the indoor space with maximum daylighting. This is a view of the first bedroom. It sits within the confines of the width of a shipping container. This interior finishing does a lot of justice to this bedroom space. You can see the bedside lamps are mounted on the wall to save space that is limited because of the container width. The high level slit window, very nice design feature, and the big glass window that allows for maximum lighting and also for the views. This is a view of the closet space. It's quite a lot. You can see it occupies a big chunk of this 20-foot shipping container. This is a view of the bedroom. You can see it occupies almost the entire length of these 20-footers. This is a view of another bedroom with a king bed. There's a mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort, and there's also maximum daylighting. This is a view of the same bedroom occupying an entire 20-foot shipping container. I like the exposed ductwork for the electricals and these beautiful ceiling lights to just bring in a bit of contrast and also quite some elegance. This wooden floor finish creates a bit of warmth also, and it makes the space look modern, neat, and welcoming. This is a view of the bathroom space. This is our wash and basin and the toilet. And then from this view you can see this glass shower cubicle, and it's big enough. I like the use of this sliding barn door that has been made from the container cuttings, celebrating the industrial theme of this amazing house. This is a view of the half bathroom from the entrance lobby. This is the inside of the half bathroom. I like these golden faucets. This is the exterior view of the house. It retains the corrugated container walls to celebrate the industrial theme of the design. The view of the full height glazing and the retention of the corrugated container walls plus the container cargo doors that serve as security shutters to the interior glaze openings. So this shipping container house is among the first residential homes built using shipping containers in Seattle. You are free to check it out. It's listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to find out more about this amazing house with 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, with over 1,000 square feet of habitable space. We love everything about this amazing container home, especially the use of the 20 footers in their almost original state with very minimal modifications, but still serves the intended function. You are free to check it out using the link in the description below and give us your opinion on what you think about this amazing shipping container project. If you like this kind of buildings or homes constructed from shipping containers, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase weekly videos of amazing container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.